I'm Travis. Oh, Callie, get. I'm Travis.
And I'm Trenton.
And we are Our Lively Tribe.
Stop.
Edition. Oh, we have a busy day. So we're heading out on Friday to go to the Escapers Rally in Havasu. And of course, last Sunday, the check engine light on the truck came on. So I had to get that taken care of. And now we need 2 new tires. So we're running over to the tire shop to drop that off. Of course, the week when you have to leave, everything seems to go wrong. Black tank on the trailer got jacked up. I had to fix that. The water heater went out the other day. I had to fix that. It has been a cluster of things coming up.
Big Bear, oh my God, Big Bear's poop is like steaming.
You hear that, everybody?
Big Bear's poop is steaming.
Big Bear, is your poop steaming? So yeah, we got a busy one. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. And then we got to come back and get some work done. So let's go.
Guess what? We're taking Big Tony off to get some new tires. It's a good old truck's name, Big Tony. And it's named after my dad's horse when he was a kid. It was his first horse. Big
and
Tony.
White.
Yeah, really big and white.
Named Tony.
Named Tony. And he almost got stepped on by it.
Yeah, that's true.
Hello. My name is Trenton. And I'm going to be giving you a weather report. About 40 degrees out. It's a little sunny. A lot of puddles. There's a little bit of clouds in the sky. And there's wheat growing. So that's fun. And guess what today I'm going to be doing? I have this bucket and I'm going to get a paddle. And I'm going to go inside of the bucket. And I'm going to bring it out to a big puddle by the corner back there. There's a bunch of deep, big puddles. And I'm going to be a sailman or have I'm going to have a boat. Okay, bye-bye. We just got the new tires on Big Tony. We're heading back home to get some work done.
Running around all morning, finally back in the shop to get back to work on that wine rack. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take the face off, get it painted. While that's drying, I'm gonna get the 2 drawers I've designed built and oil up, sand down and oil up all of the wood insert pieces for the actual wine rack. Got that thing painted up. See how it's looking. Woo! So blue. So it's pretty cool today, so that may take quite a while to dry. In the meantime, I'll be these things all sanded up, looking good, get them oiled up, and I'll show you what I'll use for that, and get it all prepped so that I can get it put in there. All right, on to it. On my mind, the music, the artist, the suggestion for today. It's a band called Rainbow Kitten Surprise. Yep, you heard that correct. Rainbow Kitten Surprise. And I think this band may change the whole world. They are truly incredible. The music's incredible. Who they are is such a representation of living in this time. And, you know, if you get into them, you'll understand what I mean by that more. But I think they are pure magic. And I'm so stoked that I even discovered them because I feel lucky to be able to listen to them. That's how wonderful they are. So, yeah, check them out. Rainbow Kitten Surprise. Go into it with an open heart and open mind and just absorb the magic that they give this world. That's it, man. Rainbow Kitten Surprise. Check them out. Are you farting? Who's that?
Maggie May.
Hi, Maggie May. What are you working on?
I'm building a boat.
You're building a boat. Wow.
It's basically gonna be a kayak.
I can't wait to watch you flip out of it into that mud.
How do you know I'll flip out?
Well, we'll see. Let's see how good your engineering skills are.
Oh, probably not that good.
The pieces for the wine rack are all sanded up, super nice. So I'm gonna do put some oil on them. And what I've been using for a little while now, some oil called Odie's oil. This stuff's pretty rad, man. Non-chemical, good for food, countertops, you know, butcher blocks, all sorts of stuff. But it's a sealer, so it seals it up watertight and brings out some really good color. It smells pretty damn good. So, and I like it because it's quick. Rub it on, get it done, and then within 48 hours, I believe it's set and ready to have water touch it. These aren't necessarily gonna have water on them, but I want them sealed up so that they continue looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna take some time and get that done. I'm putting together the drawers. There's gonna be 2 drawers in the little wine rack. So I got those all cut and routed out, and I'll be nailing those together and getting them all ready to line up in there. All right, got the 2 drawers built.
Heck yeah!
Waiting on the drawer slides. They should be here in a little bit. And then I'll install it. Trenton's gonna go over and play with his homies.
Yeah, because they're screaming for my name. And I thought it was a chicken.
A chicken calling your name?
Yeah, it
That would
was
be
like,
pretty sweet.
yeah, that would be pretty sweet. Have a chicken that's my
Is that a flannel with a hood?
Heck yeah!
That's pretty legit.
Yeah!
All right, go have fun.
Okay, can I go over there?
Yeah, as long as Mom doesn't make you school. I'm only part boss.
You're totally the
Not even close. Peace out.
Bye.
All right, little update on what I've worked on. So I cut out faces for the little wine rack area. So those faces will go in the drawers. Bring that piece all together, make it look pretty cool. I repainted that cabinet face. Just got it repainted, real dark back here. Typically do two coats of paint. I'd love it if I only had to do 1, but mostly do 2. Sometimes 100, depending on what it is. So I'm gonna let that dry overnight, and hopefully I'll be getting that entire wine bar system set up and installed tomorrow. Hopefully the drawer slides I ordered will be here. Got the drawers built for it, face built, so all of it's ready to go. All right, I'm gonna turn my attention back to the spice rack. So I ordered some different drawer slides that are actually not pop-up ones, so we're gonna have the handle that pulls it up, but they're soft release, so it's cool. They'll be able to just kind of let it go down, and that'll be nice. So I'm gonna work on getting that all mounted and put in there, and so that I can start sealing up this countertop, because they usually take quite a few coats, and with as cold as it's been, it'll take a while for them to dry all the way. I got the slide in there, but what I don't like, I got the soft close one so that you could kind of let it go. But the soft close makes it kind of hard to open. So I don't like that. I need it to be really easy to pull. So I just ordered one that's not a soft close. This thing is kicking the shit out of me and costing a lot of money. But we'll get it. And we'll get it right. And hopefully they'll be so excited about it. But I'm going to call it for right now. Trent's not here to sign off. He's out playing with his homies. So I'll sign off for him. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'm going to go feed the animals. Want to come? Goats. That's Ronnie string cheese. And that's Cleopatra. Hi, Ronnie. And then we got our favorite animal on the property besides Kona. We got our Ned pig. Huh, Ned? He's a potbelly. He is awesome. He plays like a dog. He comes when you call him. He lets you rub his belly. And then we got a bunch of chickens. But, alright, I'm going to take some time and feed these crazies.